Natanggap ko nila ang kanilang presensya.
Is now officially a member of the Psychological Association of the Philippines. I do solemnly swear to uphold the principles of psychology as a science and its professional practice, be it in the Philippines or any other place that may require my participation. I promise to follow the new bylaws of the Psychological Association of the Philippines, to abide by the rules and regulations that govern our association, to believe in and adopt its vision, to actively work to accomplish its mission, to adhere to the code of ethics for Philippine psychologists and psychometricians, and in general, to uphold all that the organization stands for. I promise to do my duties as a member and to advance the goals and purposes that the PAP stands for. So help me God. Congratulations.
Touch ko na nga lang, di
So
ba?
ngayon po kayo, when you see yourselves on screen,
Ito. Parang kailan na. Sana magpakita tayo sa sama. Saan pa yung camera na yan?
may be simple, but they bear the weight of our role in addressing our country's surging need for mental health professionals. Kaya pakikuha na po yung mga pin.
Ikaw ata.
Of your address, hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear
At all times and places,
I will adhere closely to the ethical
the ethical
and the professional rules
and the professional rules
of psychometricians in the Philippines,
of psychometricians in the Philippines,
and that I will faithfully discharge
and that I will faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
the duties and obligations
the duties and obligations
incumbent upon a legally authorized and registered psychometrician.
a legally authorized registered psychometrician.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, everyone.
Nagising na rin yung diwa ninyo, pati yung mga katabi nyo, no? Idol. Okay? 3, 2, 1. para sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Sabay sabing, salamat po. 3, 2, 1. Salamat po. Tingnan niyo yung mga magulang sa inyo.
This caption.
Cattleya Garden. You are now entering the Baguio Country Club Road, a private property.
5.1 Love Radio Time.
Kunita. Bakit may dumaan na
Paterno.